Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we find Fourier series of odd functions. Consider an example. Find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to x in the interval minus pi comma pi, and deduce pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus and so on. This we have to deduce. Okay. So for that, let me consider here a solution. F of x is equal to x defined in the interval minus pi and plus pi. Now, if I consider f of minus x, that is replacing x by minus x, this is equal to minus x, this is equal to minus x, means this is nothing but f of x. So that is here I am getting f of minus x equal to minus fx. What this implies is f of x is odd function. Okay, f of x is odd. If f of x is odd, then a naught is equal to an is equal to 0. Okay, if fx is odd, then a naught equal to 0, an equal to 0. And bn is equal to 2 by pi integration 0 to pi f of x into sine of nx dx. Okay, so just we have to find out bn. So that is we find out bn is equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x. What is f of x? It is x here into sine nx dx. This is equal to 2 by pi integrating, taking this x as first function here, x into sine integration is minus cos nx by n, next minus sine derivative of x is 1 into integral of this bracketed quantity, that is minus cos integration is sine, that is sine nx by n. Already one n is here, this becomes n square, and next term becomes 0 because I have to write the derivative of this. Okay, this is between 0 and pi, and here I have minus is there, I will make this as plus. Okay, this is plus. Now substituting the limits here, this is equal to 2 by pi, substituting the upper limit pi. If I substitute here, negative sign is there, that's minus x. In place of x, I have to write pi cos n pi divided by n plus sine of n pi becomes 0. That is second term is 0. This is the upper limit minus. Coming to the lower limit, put x equal to 0. As x is here, this whole term becomes 0. And here sine is here, this whole term becomes 0. That is here lower limit just 0 plus 0. So this is equal to 2 by pi into here minus pi. And what is cos n pi value? This is minus 1 to the power of n divided by n. This is equal to minus, here pi gets cancelled, minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n, minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n. So this is our bn. So therefore Fourier series is So therefore, what is Fourier series? Fourier series is fx is equal to a naught equal to 0, a n equal to 0. This is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity bn into sin of n x. Okay, this is our fx. So that is, what is my fx? Fx is x. This is equal to sigma n from 1 to infinity. What is bn? Bn is this, minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n. Okay, bn is minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n into sin of n x. So this is the required Fourier series. And for the deduction, we have to put x equal to something here. So let me put x is equal to pi by 2. In this equation we get left hand side is pi by 2, right hand side summation n from 1 to infinity minus 2 into minus 1 to the power of n divided by n into sin of n pi by 2. That is here sin of n pi by 2. So that is pi by 2 equal to, I can write minus 2 outside or inside itself, no problem. First put n equal to 1. If I put n equal to 1, then this becomes minus 1. Okay, if I put n equal to 1, this becomes minus 1. Minus into minus plus, that is this becomes 2 into by here n equal to 1. Okay, sin of n equal to 1, sin pi by 2, sin by pi by 2 is 1, plus put n equal to 2. If I put n equal to 2, this becomes plus 1. Okay, n equal to 2, this becomes plus 1. And this becomes minus 2 into 1 divided by this becomes 2. Here what is happening here is, if I put n equal to 2, 2 gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Then I am getting sin of pi. What is the value of sin pi? It is equal to 0. That is n equal to 2, this value equal to 0. Next, if I put n equal to 3, this becomes minus 1. Okay, minus into minus is plus 2 by 3. This is our 2 by 3 into sin of, I am putting n equal to 3 here, 3 pi by 2. What is the value of sin of 3 pi by 2? We have sin pi by 2 is 1. 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Okay, 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. So that this is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus 1. Next, if I put n equal to 4, what happens? This big, okay, whatever may be this one. If I put n equal to 4 here, 4 by 2 is 2. This becomes sin of 2 pi. Sin of 2 pi value is equal to 0. So therefore here, next I will go for n equal to 5. If I go to n equal to 5, then what happens? This becomes minus 1, minus into minus plus. This becomes 2 by 5, and this 5 pi by 2. What is the value of sin pi, 5 pi by 2? This is equivalent to just sin of pi by 2. Okay, sin 5 pi by 2 is same as sin of pi by 2. That is equal to 1. That is into 1 plus and so on. So that is pi by 2 is equal to, here I will take two common factor. Then we write 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 and minus plus and so on. Taking the cross multiplication, we write pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Similarly, we write minus 1 by 7 plus minus and so on. So this is the required deduction. Pi by 4 equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 and so on. Okay. Next example, find the or obtain the Fourier series of f of x is equal to minus k if minus pi less than x less than 0 and it is equal to k 0 less than x less than pi. Okay. So here, if x is negative quantity, minus pi less than x less than 0 means if x is negative, fx is minus k, and if x is positive, fx is plus k. Okay. So it is like this. Here this is 0, x equal to 0. Here this x is equal to pi, x is equal to minus pi. Okay. If x is x lies between 0 and pi, that if x is positive, fx value equal to k. So if k is positive, then here from this to this, so this is our f of x. F of x is equal to k. Okay. So x ranges from 0 to pi, fx value is equal to plus k. And if x is from minus pi to 0, that is in this interval, what is fx value? It is equal to minus k. That is here it is negative. This is our minus k. So this is plus k, this is minus k. This shows that the function is odd function. Okay, this shows that the function is odd function. So that is here. If x is positive, then f of x equal to k. If x is negative, f of x is equal to minus k. What this implies here is f of x is odd function. F of x is odd. If f of x is odd, then we have a naught equal to an equal to 0 and bn equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Okay. Next we find bn. So therefore here bn is equal to 2 by pi 0 to pi. Here 0 to pi, what is my fx? 0 to pi fx is k. Minus pi to 0 fx is minus k. But 0 to pi, so my interval here is 0 to pi I am considering. Therefore in that interval fx is equal to k into sin of nx dx. This is equal to 2k by pi, k is a constant quantity. Integration of sin is minus cos nx divided by n. This is between 0 and pi. So this is equal to 2k divided by pi into, or we can write this negative sign outside. If I write negative sign outside, minus 2k by pi, and n also outside if I write. Okay, minus 2k by pi n, then what remains in the bracket? Put the upper limit, cos n pi minus cos 0. So this is equal to minus 2k by n pi, cos n pi is minus 1 to the power of n into cos 0 is 1. This is our bn. This is our bn. Okay. bn is minus 2k by n pi into minus 1 to the power of n minus 1. So therefore Fourier series is f of x is equal to sigma n from 1 to infinity bn into sin of nx. This is equal to summation n from 1 to infinity bn minus 2k by n pi into minus 1 to the power of n minus 1 into sin of nx. So this is the required Fourier series. Okay. Thank you. I will stop here.